Another niche you can talk about is the trending one. For example, top trending channel. Because it's trending, so people already have a thirst for what it is. They are talking about channels that talk about trending topics exactly on the back of trends. So, for example, when Queen Elizabeth passed away, lots of people went searching online for Queen Elizabeth. The good thing about having a YouTube channel on this niche is you can make videos exactly when things happen. You can use Google Trends, as you saw in the previous lesson, to find what are the current trends. You can head also to YouTube's main page and click on Trending, and you can see what's trending based on your country. Money is always a good topic to talk about, and here we have The Richest channel. They talk about different celebrities, which always brings a lot of attention, like Nike, Lionel Messi, Lil Wayne, and there's a lot of footage you can find and make your own video about. Money always gets good clicks when there's something like $sign and 100 billion. You're talking about someone's home or someone spends on yachts. You know, people are always interested in this topic. It's also quite good because it will probably fall into the finance niche when you're talking about money. And that's always good, as we spoke about a good CPM. Another good niche is news, because people always want to know what's happening around the world, right? Or at least in their country. For example, there's a lot of interest on news about the Russia-Ukraine war right now. So you can do news about the war zone, for example, to narrow it down. You can simply watch the news and create a video about that using footage from YouTube or other websites. You can also do the top 10 or top 5 news for the day in your specific country or abroad. People don't have much time, so they would be interested in watching what's going on quickly. You can do news about current events in UK, USA, Europe, or whatever country you are interested in. We'll talk about more niches in the next video.